Hey guys, back with another video. So I want to show you my collection of knives. The rest are in my toolbox. I'll do a part. So guys, I'll be doing a part 3 pocket knife collection. So I'll go through it. I had this pocket knife for a very long time. I hate it. I'm gonna give it away someday. But yeah, I hate it. Now guys, you've seen this in a lot of videos of my older ones, but this is a new channel. But I had older videos and you loved them, I think. But this was my very first this was my very first pocket knife that I ever got, and I loved it. And it was my very first pocket knife that I got. I don't know if I said that. It was my number one. So yeah. Now guys, I made this in my garage. It's just a blade, duct tape, and a marker bottom. But yeah, I made this to cut down small branches of trees. So yeah. And then we got this guy. Has every doodad on it, like this bottle opener for wine and crap, and a screwdriver. I put this ring on it because it looks cool. You got you got the blade, you got other blades. That's it for that one. And then we got this one, this white one. I hate it. I'm gonna get rid of it soon, because it's made of plastic. Big old case with a different blade on it. I just switched these blades. I switch them every day, so yeah. And then we're going on to this guy. This guy is a beast. So yeah, that's why I like this. Oh, and then we got my box cutter. My favorite box cutter of all my box cutters. Yeah. Then, guys, we have this Brimoco. That is a company who makes clips. They decided to make a knife with a clip, and it's a knife clip. So, yeah, I use it every day. Then, guys, here's my rainbow one. Everyday carry. Then we got this junky one that I got from yard sale. It was only like $5. Then we got my USA military grade utility knife. Yeah, I don't use it that much, but once in a while I do. Then we got this one, guys. I hate it. Guys, I'm doing a giveaway. So the giveaway is on March 22nd, 2023. So, and I'm giving this one away. It was my beast. It was my beast knife, but no, I don't like it. You guys can have it. Then, guys, I have this. Still hate it. You can buy this for $20. Okay. Then, guys, this one is not for sale because it's gold. Yeah, gold's my thing. I like gold. But you can't really use it for like anything. Only for like small packages and stuff.